qui est celle des cosmétiques, il est à présent temps de nous concentrer sur les différentes approches bien spécifiques nécessaires pour créer des produits sûrs et efficaces et qui répondent aux besoins des consommateurs ayant une peau sensible, c'est important. Une communication assurée par le docteur Khaoula OULADDADDA, docteur en pharmacie et ingénieur pharmaceutique, et qui nous vient tout droit de Sétif. On applaudit très fort docteur OULADDADDA. La scène est à vous.
Hello, my name is Khaoula OULADDADDA. I'm a pharmacist and pharmaceutical engineer and cosmetic formulator. Today I'm here to speak to you about formulating for the sensitive skin. The reason I chose this topic was because when I first started formulating a few years ago, I noticed a scarcity in the local market in products that were designed for the sensitive skin. And even those products that were supposedly directed towards this category of the customers didn't really seem that much different from the standard products and did not seem to cater to the unique needs of specific category. So I took it upon myself to dive in and find out the best or the correct way to formulate suitable sensitive skin-friendly products. So this presentation is an overview to bring more attention to and offer some insight on this otherwise complicated, not fully understood skin condition, as well as provide some guidelines on the best formulation approach to more sensitive skin-friendly compliant products in the rise of its prevalence and the marketplace pressure, as well as the legal ramifications of the marketing claims. So after this brief introduction, we are first going to discuss the complexities of skin with sensitivities in order to be able to establish proper scientific guidelines for the formulations. And then we are going to discuss the most used actives with proven efficacy for this skin condition. And we are going to finish with a brief conclusion. So, in order to provide a solution for this category, we must first ask, what is sensitive skin? So, sensitive skin is a skin condition that is characterized by heightened reactivity towards external factors, cosmetic products, as well as substances that are otherwise deemed safe to use on healthy or normal skin, leading to a range of symptoms such as desquamation, which is the premature shedding of dead skin cells, erythema or redness, itchiness or pruritus, an overall dryness, and burning or stinging sensation. Several culprits are thought to be involved in this sensitive skin condition. Scientists speculate the presence of a thinner stratum corneum in hyperreactors, leading to an increased level of penetration of chemicals, as well as a higher content of the nerve growth factor and a chronic state of inflammation triggered by the innate immune system. Epidemiological surveys find a high prevalence of sensitive skin across the world. In fact, more than 50% of the population in the US, Europe, and Japan identify themselves as having sensitive skin, leading to a demand for more compliant sensitive skin-friendly products. Packages labeling for sensitive skin products include for sensitive skin only, hypoallergenic, allergen-free, dermatologically tested, preservative-free, fragrance-free, and many other labelings. Some key points to keep in mind is that sensitive skin is not an established medical condition due to the multifactorial pathogenesis of this condition and the lack of clear measurable parameters. It remains mostly self-perceived and subjective. There is no consensus on the diagnostic criteria or therapeutic strategies, but a collaboration of several factors and practices to control and improve. All these points lead to a new challenge for the physicians to recommend alternative products and for the chemists to produce and formulate such products. This leads us to our main topic today, which is some formulation guidelines for the sensitive skin. So, formulating for the sensitive skin has two goals in mind. First, crafting safe formulas with excellent skin tolerance, and second, the incorporation of actives to counteract skin irritation and inflammation. To achieve these two goals, here are the few rules every formulator should keep in mind. First, simple is better. The use of multi-purpose, high-quality ingredients to achieve several goals at once and minimize any unnecessary ingredients. Any doubtful material should not be included, and if it comes to that, a suitable chelatin agent should be added to minimize the risk. Second, pH-friendly. The skin's acidic mantle is of the utmost importance for its balance, its performance, and the survival of its microflora. So, formulating a product that is within the skin's natural pH of 4.5 to 5.5 is important. Third, hydration is key. Water is the most vital component of the skin, comprising 70% of its total mass. And since sensitive skin is essentially a dry skin condition, including humectants which can attract water from the atmosphere and bind it into the skin, is crucial. Fourth, products with high lipidic base, such as butters, oils, and other skin benefit agents can help reduce irritation by restoring the skin's barrier function, by lipidic structure, and strengthening its barrier function. As well as forming a layer on top of the skin to minimize transepidermal water loss. Fifth, balanced emulsions. The use of waxy non-ionic emulsifiers helps boost a creamy viscosity into the product and imparts amazing slip and sensory qualities, minimizing unnecessary friction and reducing irritancy. It also improves the overall mildness by minimizing transepidermal water loss. Sixth, careful selection of surfactants. One of the most problematic products to formulate for the sensitive skin are actually cleansers, because surfactants, which are the main ingredients in these type of products, are actually inherent irritants. So to counter that, there are mainly two strategies. First, combining surfactants. So combining non-ionic, ionic, and amphoteric surfactants not only helps boost the cleaning capacity and foamability of the product, but also it helps the overall mildness. Second, we can form creams, oils, balms, and lotions as essential cleansers for the sensitive skin. Seventh, reduce potential allergens such as essential oils, fragrances, and certain preservatives, as well as stimulating agents such as menthol, solvents that promote skin penetration such as propylene glycol and ethanol should not be included, or should be substituted for higher solvents such as polyethylene glycol. However, fear-mongering is also problematic, so just because a substance is allergen does not mean it will necessarily lead to an allergic reaction, and the healthy population skin should be fine using these ingredients within the recommended use. Finally, the incorporation of actives targeting sensitive skin. Several botanical extracts and actives can help reduce irritation and inflammatory responses and boost moisture and condition the skin with proven efficacy for the sensitive skin. According to a study on the International Journal of the Cosmetic Science titled Sensitive Skin Actives Under the Spotlight, niacinamide was found to be the most used ingredient in sensitive skin products for facial care, followed by avena sativa, allantoin, glycyrrhetinic acid, and Laminaria acrylica for their capacity to reduce irritation and inflammatory responses. Centella asiatica and derivatives, different peptides, and panthenol also figured high on the list for their capacity to restore the barrier function. Bisabolol, which is a bioactive ingredient known to reduce inflammation found in chamomile, is also a stable ingredient for the sensitive skin in the industry, as well as powerful antioxidants such as coenzyme Q10 and vitamin C, and other conditioning agents such as hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and aloe vera are also known to bring benefit to the reactive skin. To conclude, sensitive skin is a complex condition that could be perplexing to both doctors, consumers, and chemists alike. So finding active ingredients that could alleviate the symptoms without exacerbating the sensitivity, as well as optimizing the whole formulation process, is crucial to achieve successful formulations for the sensitive skin. This leads us to the end of our presentation. I'm currently working on starting my own beauty brand, Clementine Beauty. You can find me on social media by scanning this QR code or research me on the research bar. I hope you've enjoyed it and find it beneficial. I'm still here to answer your questions, and thank you for your attention.
Merci beaucoup. Alors, y aurait-il des questions pour notre docteur? Ça a l'air d'avoir été très très clair. Merci. Encore un tonnerre d'applaudissements pour Madame Khaoula OULADDADDA.